Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz. I post 4 beauty related videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, but I am doing more uploads at the moment. And in this video we are going to be testing the peach side of the Best Friends gift set. So this is the Cherish side. Now you would have seen in my last video that I actually did the pink side, but I tested the Cherish eyeshadow palette out by accident. So in this video we are going to be using the Cherish lip gloss, the Cherish highlight, but we're going to be testing the pink eyeshadow palette because I've already tested the peach one. And this is the final look. Now if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. So we know I messed up yesterday and I used the peach palette instead of the pink one, so we're going to use the pink one today. This is what the pink one looks like on the inside. So it literally just is loads of shades of pink and a nice little raspberry red here. Let's just start swatching these for you. It's the first 3 shades. They're just not as pigmented as like other I Heart Revolution products are, but it's not a big thing. Like, they work, but when you swatch them they just don't swatch as great. Actually did, yeah, we did swatch it, but here it is swatched again, so I haven't actually swatched the peach palette, which don't worry about it. Just gonna put a bit of Beauty Bay eye base in the shade 3 on. I love this stuff. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade here first. There's actually only 3 mattes in here, which is a shame. There's a lot of dust to it. Then I'm gonna take a bit of this like light brown. I don't think this brown's gonna do much, to be fair. I'm gonna keep that on the outer portion a little bit more. Yeah, it's like lighter than my skin tone, so you're not really gonna see it. The shade that I'm really looking forward to is this raspberry shade here, so I'm gonna definitely be using this one. And then I want to take this like goldish shade in the centre here all over my lid. You know, I do like these little palettes, but I just wish there were more mattes and maybe more browns in here. This is like a quick day-to-day look that you could do, and it's also good for beginners. And then I just want to blend out the edge, just that tiny bit. So far this is what the eyes are looking like. I'm going to go off camera and do my base. I don't think there's much more I can do about them. So this is what the peach highlight looks like. This is the packaging. It's very cute. Now that we have actually used the pink eyeshadow palette, I can finally use the peach stuff. A little bit more darker, so that's the pink one. And then this one is the peach one. I feel like will suit me a little bit more because there's a little bit more gold in it. I did put a highlighter on by mistake. This one does seem to suit me a lot more than the pink one. So what I'll do is I'll just bounce it in to my skin. And that just looks a bit more me. It is icier just because I did by accident put a highlighter on underneath. Silly me. But yeah, it is just a bit more me than the pink one. The pink one's got like a pink shift to it, whereas the peach one's got a little bit of a gold undertone to it. So it is something suited for me, whereas lighter skin tones might like the pink one, and a bit more my skin tone might like the medium one. And now I'm just like all highlighted out now. I have put on a Natural Collection lip liner. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I just love these little crayons. Like, this isn't the actual lip liner, this is a 2-in-1 lipstick liner, and it just makes your lips look so much more like plumper than just a normal lip liner. Now we're going to go in with the Cherish lip gloss. Now this is just a gold, and these are quite a thin formula. But you can see that it's changing the tone of the lip liner already. And as metallic as they are, you really can't feel any glitter in them when you do that. It just feels really nice. And you know what? Let's put a little bit of a colour under my lash line. I'm going to take that raspberry shade here and just run that across my whole lash line. So for my inner corner and my brow bone highlight, I just want to go in with this shade here. It's nothing blinding, but it is nice. So it is a nice subtle look. So here is the finished look. What do you think? Again, the highlighter, my mistake. Used the highlighter before that I shouldn't have used. and so you can't really tell the proper undertone to it, but it is definitely so much more gold than the other highlight. I'm actually in love with it. It's just a rundown of the stuff. So we are using the peach side, but I've used the pink eyeshadow by accident. Well, yesterday I used the peach one by accident, so this is a review of the peach side with the pink eyeshadow palette. This is nice, it's just not that pigmented as some of the other I Heart eyeshadow palettes have been in the past. These are very like catered to a younger audience than it is to someone who's a bit more into makeup, like someone who has been doing makeup for years. This isn't going to do that much, but it has created a nice little pink look, and if you want something day to day, you could wear this day to day. The highlight is nice, it's a better undertone for me than the pink side, and the lip gloss is really lovely. Like, I like the fact that you can't feel anything, and to think this side of the set would have cost £7.50, so for 3 items £7.50 is quite a decent price. I'm not mad at it, and it's created a nice little look, and I like it. So yeah, I would highly recommend it, especially for a Christmas gift. If you've got like daughters or sisters, you can literally give one side each. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.